welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna see how you can use ChatGPT to make thousands of dollars every single month. Like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tutorials. With that said, let's dive into it. You head on to openai.com and follow the steps to sign on ChatGPT. After that, this AI is crazy smart and it can do different kind of stuff for you. For today's video, we wanted to write a complete article on how to get six-pack abs in 1 week. So after you log in into your accounts, you head on to the search bar on ChatGPT and you type write article on how to get six-pack abs in 1 week and hit enter. Oh, you can click this button here, generate button, and wait while the bot writes a complete article on how to get a six-pack abs for you in 1 week. And there you go, a complete article that will take you days to write is now done for you before finishing a cup of coffee. And the good thing about this ChatGPT is it keeps tabs on your previous commands. So if you don't really like this article, you can simply ask the bot to regenerate a different one. So you can hit regenerate and it can write a complete different article for you. After you've been satisfied, then you copy the article. Next step is to find an affiliate offer to promote. You can grab this from different affiliate platforms such as ClickBank, Digistore24, and so on. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna go to warriorplus.com. Sign up, go to offers, type six-pack related words like. Scroll down and find sweet offer for you and request for link. It normally takes some hours before your request is granted. Next step is to go on Google Docs and paste the article you copied from ChatGPT. Add a call to action on the first paragraph. Let's say, get a complete guide on how to build apps fast. Select it, make it big and bold, insert link by clicking this button here. Now you go back to your affiliate offers and copy the link from the offer you choose and paste it in here. Now you got a complete article with affiliate offer attached to it. And the next step is where the magic happens. Before we proceed, please hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Help us reach 3K subs by subscribing to our channel. So the final step is to go to a site slideshare.net where millions of people visit it every single month looking for articles and blogs. So you sign up and start uploading the articles you created from Google Docs. Let's say you get 1,000 views on a single article. Potentially 500 out of your views can take out your affiliate offer. And out of 500, 100 are likely to buy the product. That's 100 sales. So let's say the offer offers you $50 per sale. So 50 times 100, that's $5,000. So you see, so many people can buy from this product, but we just imagine a small number out of your community to buy this product. Like we imagine 100 people, thousands can buy, but we just imagine hundreds. And there you go, 5K without any product that you created. Hope you really liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like for more contents. See you next.